Code George. Flight line Tacoma Code George for 30 days. Let's try the
test of the emergency alert system. Station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
The wind was out at 3 miles an hour. Mount Clemens, the wind was out at 6 miles an hour. Grossfield, the wind was out at 7 miles an hour. Monroe, the wind was southwest at 7 miles an hour.
Doing RT. Wait. That was an RWT. What the fuck?
Wait.
I hear it. What the hell? Oh, it's RWT! That's RWT!
Did they say?
They never gave up.